Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create heat maps in Excel. In my previous video, I discussed about conditional formatting. So if you missed watching that video, please go and watch it. I will give that video link in the iCard. So heat maps are also a part of conditional formatting concept only. So heat maps are basically used to visualize trends of data and the relationships using color scales. Right? And examples of heat maps could be average temperature by city, state, or by months, right? And also you can measure the road accidents by time of day or day of week. So in this video, I will show you the average temperature of cities uh, by months, and also I will show you the pro tip. This pro tip I will show you in the video. So stay tuned and let's get started in the video. So here I have a sample data of average high temperatures of these cities uh, during this period, during these months from January to December. These are the temperatures that have been recorded for these cities. So using this data, I will show you how to create a heat map. So to create a heat map, first you need to select the entire range of cells from this cell to the last cell, and once you select this cell you need to go to conditional formatting. So here you can find in the home tab conditional formatting. Once you click on that, go to color scales, and in color scales you have three range of scales here. So this is the first range, this is second, and this is third, right? So for this example, we will be choosing this color scale here, which is red, white, and blue, right? Because in general scenario, whenever we are measuring temperature, so our main ideology is like so the red indicates uh, high temperature, right? So red indicates high, right? And blue indicates cold, right? So high or hot temperature, and blue indicates low or cold temperature, right? So that is how we measure the temperature. Uh, so that is the reason why I am choosing this color scale, and let me change it to blue, right? So this is how we generally measure the temperature. So that is the reason why I will be choosing. So that is the reason here in this example I will be choosing this color scale instead of choosing this one. I will be choosing this one, which is red, white, and blue color scale. So if I choose this one, the order will be reversed, right? So if I choose this one, the the temperature in higher numbers will be in blue, and the temperature in lower numbers will be in red. But we don't want that, right? We want in this way. We want this scale. So now you can see the temperatures which are in higher numbers are in red. So this indicates that the temperatures for the cities are hot. And if you look at this cells, the temperatures are low and cold, right? Because the numbers are low, and that is why the scale is also in blue color, right? So that is the reason we choose that scale, that color scale here. So and we cannot also choose this one. These color scales also we cannot choose because here we are creating heat maps for high temperature. If we choose this one, green, yellow, and red, then it will not match what we want, right? Because red we can't take it as a low temperature, and green we can't take it as a high temperature, right? And yellow also is not matching our scenario here. So that is the reason why we choose this color scale here, the second one, red, white, and blue color scale, right? So now here after selecting the color scale, the heat map is created, right? So looking at the heat map, you can easily determine what the heat map is telling you, right? So the red areas indicates that these cities are having the highest temperature. For example, so Dallas, Phoenix, and Miami are the top three states which are recording the highest temperature from the month of May till October, right? So from the month of April to October, these three cities are recording the highest temperatures, and Phoenix is one city which is having which has recorded the highest temperatures in the month of June, July, and August, September also, right? So that way you can determine the temperatures using heat maps. In the same way, if we look at this one, the top row, so the London city is having the coldest temperatures in the month from January to April, and once again from October to December, the temperatures have been dropped, right? So it is very cold in this 3 months and in this 4 months, right? The same way for Boston, Chicago, and New York City, right? So that way you can measure the temperatures using heat maps. Now, now that we identified the cities which are having high and low temperatures, now the second challenge is that I don't want these numbers to be displayed on the heat map. I just want the heat map to display. I don't want these numbers on the heat map. So how can I remove these numbers? So if I select this and if I delete this, then the whole heat map will get deleted. But I don't want that. So, but I can also try this by changing the font color to white. I can try this, but this doesn't look that great to me, right? So even this option I am not interested in. So what you can do is, so here comes the pro tip. So what you can do is to hide these numbers. First, you need to select this range of cells. Then on the home tab, in the number section, click on the small icon here. Click on this. You need to go to the custom category. In the custom category, and here in the type section, you need to enter three semicolons. You need to enter three semicolons and click on OK. Now you can see uh, the numbers have been hidden. Right? They did not get deleted, but they got hidden. So to see if the numbers have been deleted or hidden, just you can click on any of these cells, and you can see here in the formula bar the numbers are getting right. So they did not get deleted, but they just got hidden, right? So that is a pro tip which you can use to hide the values from this heat map. So you need to enter three semicolons by creating a custom number format, right? So here I said apply custom formatting to hide cell values, right? So that is what we did here. So that is a pro tip. Now, now you can see the heat map looks even more professional, right? So that is how you can use this pro tip, right? And you can also create heat maps for road accidents or any other data you have, so that that helps you visualize the trends here, right? And so here you can easily determine the trends of this uh, data here, right? So whatever the temperatures that are there for this cities, we can easily determine them. So this red area indicates the high temperature, and the blue area here determines the low temperature, right? So that is how you can create heat maps in Excel. So I hope you understood this method of creating heat maps. So if you have any questions, please put it down and them in the comment section. I will answer them. And if you feel the information to be useful for you, then please consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make more interesting videos on Excel.